Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your trusted destination for deep dive reviews, hands-on impressions, and everything that fuels your tech obsession. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about drones of the year, the Mavic 4 Pro. DJI continues to raise the bar with every new release, and the Mavic 4 Pro is no exception. It's sleek, powerful, packed with cutting-edge features, and it just might be the ultimate aerial imaging tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. But does it truly deliver on all fronts, or is it just a flashy upgrade? Stick around as we dissect everything from its design and specs to real-world usage, camera performance, flight capabilities, and whether it deserves a place in your gear bag. The Mavic 4 Pro retains the foldable form factor that's become standard in the Mavic series, but with more refined aerodynamics and a slightly more compact fold. It's lighter than its predecessor yet doesn't compromise on durability. The updated magnesium alloy frame reduces weight while enhancing resistance to impact, making it great for challenging environments. The gimbal system has been re-engineered for improved stability, especially during aggressive flight or windy conditions. DJI also improved the internal cooling system, using redesigned vents that keep it running cooler for longer. At the heart of this drone is the new Hasselblad-branded camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor and a 24mm equivalent lens. It captures stunning to OMP stills with exceptional clarity and boasts up to 14 stops of dynamic range, giving you beautifully detailed shots in both highlights and shadows. On the video front, it supports up to 5.7K resolution at 60 EFPs and 4K at a smooth 1:0 FPs. Whether you want sharp cinematic clips or dramatic slow motion, the Mavic 4 Pro delivers. DJI has also added support for D-Log MHLG and Apple ProRes 422HQ, providing professional-grade footage. Straight out of the drone, the improved lens offers an adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11, offering better control over depth of field and exposure, ideal for changing lighting conditions. Reduced distortion and better corner sharpness also make it perfect for both filmmakers and landscape photographers. Storage is no issue with 2 TB of onboard SSD and high-speed USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 for fast offloading. You'll spend less time managing files and more time creating. When it comes to flight performance, the Mavic 4 Pro is incredibly agile and responsive. Its newly optimized motors and ESCs make it quieter and more efficient. You'll get up to 42 minutes of flight time in ideal conditions, and around 35 to 38 minutes consistently in the real world. It can reach speeds of up to 54 miles per hour in sport mode. Despite the power, it remains stable even in windy conditions, with precise controls that feel intuitive whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot. For safety, it features omnidirectional obstacle sensing with dual vision sensors on all sides, plus infrared and 2F modules. The new APA 6.0 system allows the drone to reroute in real time, navigating complex environments with impressive accuracy. Active Track 6.0 brings even smarter subject tracking, using AI and visual tracking to maintain lock even when your subject moves out of view briefly. It's fast, accurate, and great for dynamic shots where subjects move unpredictably. Waypoint 5.0 introduces more advanced automation, letting you program detailed flight paths, gimbal angles, and camera actions at each point. It's excellent for repeatable tasks like inspections or cinematic reshoots. Master Shots and Quick Shots have also been upgraded, giving you easy, automated ways to create polished content with minimal effort. These features are ideal for content creators who want ready-to-publish footage. The DJI RC Pro 2 controller features a 1200 nit screen for clear daylight viewing, longer battery life, and improved signal strength thanks to OcuSync 4.0. You'll get up to 20 kilometers of range with a solid connection even in interference-heavy areas. It's an all-in-one controller, no phone needed, and it comes preloaded with DJI Fly and support for apps like Lychee and Drone Deploy. Battery-wise, the 5200 mAh intelligent flight batteries give you longer airtime and faster charger. The optional charging hub allows hot swapping, keeping your workflow uninterrupted in the field. DJI's FlySafe geofencing, remote ID compliance, and compatibility with the DJI Dock 2 and Flight Hub to make it a great option for both personal and enterprise users. The Mavic 4 Pro is aimed at professionals and serious hobbyists, filmmakers, content creators, surveyors, or anyone who needs top-tier aerial imaging in a compact package. It's not cheap, especially with the Fly More Combo or Cine Premium version. But considering the features and performance, it's worth the investment. There are some minor downsides. Low light video still isn't on par with full-frame cameras, and obstacle avoidance can occasionally hesitate in tight indoor spaces. But these are relatively small trade-offs in an otherwise outstanding system. What you get is a compact aerial workhorse that rivals ground-based cinema gear. With cinematic video, intelligent features, powerful connectivity, and a robust build, the Mavic 4 Pro is a near-perfect blend of innovation and usability. That's our in-depth review of the Mavic 4 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibe, your home for cutting-edge tech, reviews, drone gear insights, and everything that fuels your tech lifestyle. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you want to see a comparison between the Mavic 4 Pro and other drones like the Air 3 or Inspire 3. Until next time, keep flying high and stay tuned for more, right here on Tech Vibe.